Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, I'm Gina Louise. I like to do a lot of DIYs, thrift flips. I don't really like doing hauls, but I know people like them, so I'm gonna do one. I do like watching hauls from thrift stores. I'm not a big fan of watching dollar store hauls because I feel like all our dollar stores have the same thing. So anyway, I'm gonna show you my my thrift haul. Some of it came from my favorite thrift store and some of it actually came from a church yard sale that I went to. Anyway, so let's start. And I'll tell you what I bought, some of these things, what I had in mind for them. Okay, I saw this, I bought it, it was on the dollar table, and I'm not sure what it was, what it's supposed to be, but I am definitely making it into a fall lantern for my front porch. And I bought some stuff from Walmart to do my little makeover, which I'll show you when I get to my Walmart makeover, thrift. Okay, I bought this from my favorite thrift store. It was supposed to be for the Make It New challenge. I know they're doing one every month, so hopefully I'll get to be in the next one, but I missed the last one because I was too busy at work. So this, or I was gonna do it for the ugly thrift. Sorry for insulting you, Trey, but yeah, it was kind of ugly, but I thought it could be made into a really, really pretty tray. See how pretty that was? And I figured I could do something, paint it, change it up. It says that it's $3.99. I did not pay that. Any price you see, I always go on the 40 off day or half off or sometimes 30 off, but you never pay whatever the price is on it. So that was for, like I said, the ugly flip or the Make It New. And hopefully I'll get to do it for the Make It New next month or this month. Now, I bought these weeks ago and I don't even remember what's in this bag. I actually left everything in the bag and didn't look at it since the day I bought it, and it was maybe a month ago. So I'm gonna be surprised when I pull the stuff out. I bought this not for a makeover. It was $2. I couldn't say no. I thought it was so freaking cute, and I love gingerbread men, so I thought this would be cute for my dessert table. This, because I host Christmas Eve all the time, and I like to bake, so, and my son's girlfriend does too, so I'm sure we'll fill this up with cookies. Okay, put it over there. Don't want to break it. Okay, so this is from my thrift flip, and I don't remember what was in it. Oh, these were from the church sale. They were $1. They were on the dollar table. I mean, I always buy candle holders, and I'm definitely going to redo these, and I actually want to use these for displaying my pumpkins since I'm doing a lot more of those. Okay, what do we have here? Oh, I'm a very shabby chic girl. I love pink roses. Love, love, love them. I had to buy this. It says $2.99, but I'm sure it was half off, so it was probably $1.50. And I thought this was so cute, and this is definitely gonna go in my bedroom because my bedroom is the shabby chic room of the house. My entire house used to be shabby chic, but now it's farmhouse with a little bit of shabby chic in it. And sometimes in the summer I bring a little bit of the coastal in it. Anyway, let's move on. I saw this vase and it was $4.99, half off, $2.50. And all I kept thinking was, oh my God, I could paint this into a pumpkin for fall, without a doubt. It looks like a pumpkin, right? It's a cute vase. I always buy vases from thrift stores because when you buy flowers for people, it's so nice to give them a pretty vase to go with it. And just like the cookie sheet that I just showed you, I buy a lot of pretty cookie sheets like that too, so when I go visit people around the holidays and I bake something, the tray is usually a gift as well. So it's just so much nicer than bringing it in a box. Okay, we'll put that down. Let's see what else I got when I went thrifting. Okay, I bought this to do a makeover. $2.99, half off was $1.50, and I'm definitely gonna make over this vase. Like I said, I always buy vases, and they're good for gifts, and I'm gonna make this over, and I already know what I'm doing with it. I kind of have a West Elm vase that I like, and I'm gonna make it similar to that one. Okay, so what else? I don't know if you see this, I'm organizing my craft room here. I might edit that out when I edit this video, and you might not see it, or maybe I'll leave it in for a little bit, but I'm trying to organize. All right, $3, half off. They're tiny little baskets. Let me take one out because I don't think you can see through this. They're just they're little baskets, and I just thought these would look so cute on my tier tray. I mean, I could open them and put some stuff in them, some florals, or just leave them the way they are. I always look for little things in the thrift store that are good for doll houses, or because I'm doing a big dollhouse makeover, which is going to take me forever. But and for my tier tray, and I thought these would be cute for my tier tray. Okay, what else do I have? Oh, I'm gonna pass this up. Little pumpkin. It's probably a Dollar Tree pumpkin. Now I'm starting to think that I bought this in the Dollar Tree and it got stuck in my thrift store bag. Or it could have been from the thrift store, because sometimes I'll make that over, of course. And yeah, sometimes I see Dollar Tree stuff in my thrift store. Okay, yeah, it's Dollar Tree, because here's Dollar Tree ribbon that I grabbed. The chevrons. Got this for $1.99, half off. It was $1. It's a nest with a bird in it. I love bird nests. I thought that would be great. I could save that for spring or summer for my tier tray, or just putting it on top of like one of the candles that sticks after I redo them. I have a pretty one in my bathroom that's really shabby chic that I made, and I don't, if you didn't see the video, I'll put the link below so you could see it and check that out. All right, so what do we have in here? Oh, $2.99 half off. It says Home Goods, and it's an acorn candle. It's adorable, and that's gonna go in my tier tray. I hope this doesn't fall over. I'm putting everything on that shelf. That tray that I just showed you. Okay, what else? What else? I have stuff that's wrapped up. Oops. Like a little ginger jar. I figured I'll make that over. Don't even remember buying it. $2.99 half off, $1.50. Don't remember buying it. But wait, maybe it's a set to something. Yeah, it's a set. I'm getting senile. Yeah, so there's the set. I'll probably just paint that white and not do much with it. Maybe I'll take my Cricut out of the box finally. I bought a Cricut 6 months ago and never took it out of the box. That's par for me. I bought one of the original Cricuts back when I used to use cartridges, and I used it like once. I kind of like to paint words and stuff, but I need to get to play with that Cricut. Okay, I bought that, and I'm sure I'm gonna just paint it white and stick it in my tier tray. Okay, what else do we have? I think that was it for the thrift store. Yeah, that's it. That's it for the thrift store. So I bought these from, now we have the Walmart trip. And I bought these from Walmart. I thought that these would look great. Gotta move this so I could show you. But this is what, okay, so I bought this and I had it in my mind that I was gonna make a nice, you know, a candle holder outside and for my front porch. And then I saw these at Walmart and I thought, okay, these are gonna look great. I'm gonna use these to decorate it. And I bought, which I'm sure everybody buys, Walmart had the buffalo check ribbon, so I figured I'd use that to make the bows for it, for my lantern. I bought this, I love this, the canvas drop cloth from, it's $9.99 in Walmart. I buy it because I make French market bags all the time. I absolutely love them. I should really do a video on how to make them with your sewing machine or without your sewing machine. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do that, but I make French market bags all the time. I make them out of clothing that I don't wear anymore. I make them out of these. I make them out of curtains that I get from the thrift store. So maybe one day I'll have a chance to make a video and show you how I make those because they're so pretty. And I sell them in my Etsy shop. Okay. Oh, Dollar Tree. Nothing you haven't seen before. I got the little pumpkins because I like to have a variety of sizes when I do my pumpkins for fall decor. I had to have this because of the acorn. I love acorns. I have an acorn video. Bought a bunch of these. They just got them in when I walked in. I know that I just put a video on how I do my lace ones because I don't use orange in my decor in my house at all. So I always change my pumpkins colors. Got this cute little one. I know it's orange. Maybe I'll use a little bit with the leaves. Like I said, I got a bunch of these so I could do them over. I finally found the wood stems. They don't usually have them in my dollar store, but I live by the woods and I always cut stems anyway where I make them. I have a video, I'll link that below, how I make my own stems from brown paper bags and also from Dollar Tree rope. They come out so pretty and they look so real. All right, I saw these like filigree leaves. I thought they were really pretty and I figured I could use them on one of my neutral pumpkins because I don't know, it's more bronze. I don't know, in this light they look orangey, but they're kind of bronze. For the first time I've seen this mesh tubing in Dollar Tree. I have an idea for that. I got little fairy lights for my front porch. And if you haven't seen my front porch, I'll link that below. I got more than mesh. And I got a bunch. Oh, okay, I got these. Because I know exactly what I'm doing with these. I'm going to do a video on those because I do them very shabby chic farmhouse. I saw somebody do a truck. I did a red truck makeover, made it like a 3D truck with two of these. It might have been Heidi Sambo. I forget who did it. And I loved it, so I wanted to make one. And what else do I have? This is just a cute fall candle in the colors I don't use, but I'll still put them out. And that's it. So I'd love to hear in the description below what you would do with this, because I have so many ideas going through my head. I mean, I'm making it a lantern, that's no doubt, and that may be what it was. I have no clue. I'm not a fan of these big screws. I don't know if you could see that, these big screws here, but I'm not a big fan of those. So at first I was like, oh, I'm gonna paint it black. Put my candle in it, decorate it, and then I'm like, I don't know if I'm gonna do black. Maybe I'm just gonna do it in white because my front porch is pastels, white, pink peonies, white peonies, keep it light. And I'm thinking, I do like the wood the way it is, and when I found these, I thought it would look so pretty. To do a beautiful flowers, florals falling down the side with big bows. And maybe some down on the bottom. I bought lamb's ear. Yeah, lamb's ear. Where did that go? I must have dropped it somewhere. Anyway, that's it. I would love to hear what you would do with this. Should I keep it this color? Should I paint it black? Should I paint it white? Those are the only three choices, though. I am not painting it any other colors. But I love these neutrals that I found in Walmart. And these little pumpkins. So, we shall see where it brings me when I start. Okay, hope you liked my haul. I'm not a huge fan of hauls because I just feel like everybody sees the same stuff when they go shopping. Unless you live somewhere where you don't have a Dollar Tree, but I feel like they're everywhere. Even when I'm on vacations, I always find Dollar Tree stores and I look to see if there's anything different, and they're just always usually around the same stuff. Anyway, but I do love watching thrift store hauls, and I'm not a big fan of being in front of the camera, and I haven't been in front of it in a really long time, but I figured, I guess it's time because some of my favorite creators are the ones who are in front of the camera, and you get to see them and you get to know them, and then there's not a voiceover, and kind of feel like you connect better with them, I guess. So every once in a while I'm going to try to be in front of the camera. So hope you enjoyed this fall. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did like this, if you give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch me do these DIYs, if you have any suggestions for anything else I just showed you, let me know. I'm open to all ideas. Please consider subscribing. I would love that. It helps my channel grow. And you could share the video. That helps as well. Again, thank you. I'm Gina Louise. Thank you for watching.